Students, today we are taking up the next chapter, that is Discovering Tut. The saga continues. It is written by A.R. Williams. Fine. So this chapter is about King Tut. He was of Egyptian civilization and the story it still continues. So the chapter is about King Tut. This is the third chapter of your book Hornbill. So what is there in the chapter? It is about the kings of the Egyptian civilization, the emperors of the Egyptian civilization who were called pharaohs. Fine. Now Egypt, it is famous for its civilization, and the emperors, they were called as pharaohs in Egypt. Fine. Now what the pharaohs had, they had vast empires and lot of gold. Fine. They were very rich, they had vast empires and enormous gold. Now they believed in life after death. Fine. The people of Egypt, they believe in life after death. So what did they do? They buried their kings in the tombs and they called them as mummies. जब किसी king की death हो जाती थी, तो they just buried the king in the tombs and they called them as mummies. And what did they do? They put a lot of treasure and the things of everyday use beside the mummy. बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो स्टोम में रख देते थे. Why? Because they believed in life after death. Now the tombs जिसमें कि वो डालते थे dead bodies को, they were made of the gold case. Okay, and they were about 26 feet deep. ओके, सो 26 फीट डेप्थ पे वो लोग वो जो टूम्स थे वो बरी करते थे और वो गोल्ड केसेस के बने हुए होते थे. एंड दे यूज टू पुट लॉट ऑफ ट्रेजर एंड द थिंग्स ऑफ एवरीडे यूज बिसाइड्स द डेड बॉडीज. वाई? बिकॉज दे बिलीव्ड दैट द किंग वुड नीड ऑल दोज थिंग्स आफ्टर डेथ, बिकॉज दे थॉट दैट देयर इज अ लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ. फाइन. नाउ just a brief introduction about King Tut. King Tut, he was the last of the ruling dynasty of Egypt. King Tut जो था वो last of the ruling dynasty of Egypt था. He died at a very young age. Okay, so King Tut, he died at a very young age and he ruled only for 9 years. Fine, he became the emperor at a very young age. He could rule only for 9 years and after that he died. Now, what is the mystery? That the cause of his death is not known. Okay, so as the death cause is not known, moreover he died at a very young age, he did not die in old age, so that always remained a mystery. Now his tomb was discovered by a British archaeologist Carter in the year 1922. ओके, उसका जो टूम था वो इजिप्ट में किसने डिस्कवर किया था? अ ब्रिटिश आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट एंड हिज नेम वाज कार्टर एंड इट वाज डन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन द ईयर 1922. Now what did he find? That the coffin was of solid gold. जो कॉफिन था जब उसको उन्होंने डिग आउट किया, जब कॉफिन निकाला, तो दैट वाज ऑफ सॉलिड गोल्ड एंड इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट एंड हिज people to take out that coffin. Now body, as it was, just with the help of the resins, it was the resins were solidified and the body, it just stuck to the coffin, so the body had to be cut. Fine. Why the body needed to be cut? So that it could be studied, so that the parts of the body could be studied, so that they could make out that what was the cause of the death of that King Tut. Now what happened? That he could not make out that how the king died, and